Well, hoping summer's here soon, guys, because this rain is really annoying. Welcome gang, Skypilot here. Finally it's not raining and it's time to take out the new Eachine EX5 for its maiden. You've probably seen this beauty advertised. This is Eachine's latest and greatest, the EX5. 220 grams weighing in at, adjustable vertical camera there, 4K, although 1080 video. Check out my last video, guys, on the screen for all the techs and specs and unboxing of this terrific little unit here. And of course the kit comes with 1, 2 or 3 batteries. Brushless motors here, guys. Return to home, follow me mode, all that hoo-ha. I'm going to record to my mobile device and screen capture as well. Just going to see how high this baby goes and take it on a little bit of a distance flight as well. You can get this in 200 meters or 1 kilometer max range. So this is the 1K version. We'll see how we go pushing it that far today. Don't want to lose it at this stage, so we'll just have to take it easy as I've done that before. So GPS and GLONASS, guys, so should be fairly hard to lose, although having said that, touch wood, I hope I don't lose it today. All the links down below, guys, where you can get this terrific little unit from. I've got a coupon if you want to save yourself some dollars as well, that'd be awesome. Let's get cracking. Skypilot, Eachine EX5. Let's take her up. Okay, when you first turn on it, it'll ask you if you have calibrated your unit, which I have. And I've also set it to not take off until I have all my satellites. And at the moment I'm reading 12, so that's pretty good. We've got our Google Maps going. Altitude is stuck on the feet. I can't seem to get it to go to meters anywhere, so if anyone knows where or how you can do that, let me know. Let's get cracking. Auto takeoff. We'll hit that record button there. I've got screen capture going as well. Okay, the green light's going. The green camera's going for 5-6 seconds. And I think we'll take off. And just make sure it hovers by itself and maintains its position before we go anywhere. Like I have said previously, guys, it's a pity this doesn't record to micro SD underneath. That would be a really decent feature. Maybe the next one, version 2, will do that, but not yet. Okay, off we go. I do apologise for being a little bit shaky. I have set it on number 3 setting, which I believe is the fastest. I am used to going FPV here, so definitely used to flying these. Okay. Not too sure what happened then. I do know one thing though, I am near some big A towers over here, so I'm hoping that doesn't affect my Wi-Fi. That's why I'm flying over there. Okay, let's get up in the sky and see how high this bird will go. I can still see it. We can see a distance of 76 feet and an altitude of 47 feet. I'll have to convert that later on, guys, because I'm not too sure what that is in meters. Slowly make our way up, and I believe when you get to your maximum height it's just going to beep and stop. We still have FPV feed, so that's cool. Sporting 19 satellites. Still have FPV feed. It's a long way up there. Well, we're punching up to 100 feet now, so what that is in meters I'm not entirely sure. I think it's probably around, I don't know, 80 meters or something, I don't know, but she's a damn long way up though. I'm going to keep going up, guys, in the interest of seeing how far this will go. 110 feet. Still see it. Okay, there we go. It's beeping at 120 feet. Okay, down we come. Let's come down to a non-beeping level. We'll sit around 100 feet and let's just have a look and see how good that recording is. I'm going to do a 360 spin around here, guys, and then I'll adjust that camera up and down. I'll try and do a slow spin around. And there goes the FPV feed. This happened once before, so what I'm going to do, I can still see the unit, I'm going to bring it down and hopefully we shall pick that feed up again. Okay, let's get a little bit of height and let's do a bit of a 360 turnaround, get some recording going. And around we go. Put the camera down a bit more. Pretty decent feed. I'll be interested to see what it looks like on the PC screen. There's a little bit of lag there, which is to be expected. Okay, pretty decent, guys. Next video I'll do a battery test of this unit, see how long we can fly for. But I've done a fair bit of testing here today, doing some other things, so yeah, the battery's not going to be too good today. I'll just go on a quick kangaroo hunt, see if there's any kangaroos over there amongst those trees. That's where they normally hide out. Definitely not as sharp as an FPV unit, but yeah, equally fun. Nice little flyby there. Pretty smooth and steady fly, this thing, guys. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. It's pretty cool. Bring her in for a bit of a close-up look. What a nice unit. I'm a big fan of the Eachine E58. They came out a couple of years ago now. That was a fabulous little unit. And Eachine have really come a long way since their initial drones they made. And if anyone's wondering out there, can you fly near phone towers? Well, guess what? We're about to find out. I love doing these tests. Okay, there's our phone tower. Normally what happens with my FPV units, I tend to just crash here because I get a fair bit of disruption. However, we're looking pretty good at the moment. Hey, what's the worst that could happen? Oh no, okay, there we go. I lost control for a minute there. It was doing its own thing. Okay. Yeah. Let's see how close I can get to the phone tower. Oh, it's really not liking that. Okay, bring it back. Yeah. Okay, I've lost control completely. There we go. Alright, so can you fly near phone towers? You can, but not too close. Not too close, guys. Oh boy, that's as close as I dare get. Okay, let's bring it home before something goes wrong. And certainly neighbour friendly too, I'd say, folks, this thing, because it's awfully quiet. You guys can hear it whizzing past me there, but it's a fairly low decibel unit. Okay, enough ripping around. Let's land her. Time for a rock landing. Quick flight, gang. A little bit windy, conditions aren't perfect here today. That's a whole lot of fun, gang. I've flown this a few times now, and I must say it flies really well. Next video I will do a battery test. However, I've just been playing around with a few features today, so plenty more coming up, guys, so smash on that bell. And great to see you. Drop us a comment. As I said, links down below. Eachine EX5 looks like it's going to be a big hit. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Sky Pilot. See you soon. Take it easy. Bye for now.